Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Tater Tot Casserole. So let's get toasting. I'm going to cook this in my toaster oven. So I have this 10-inch cast iron skillet that I bought at Walmart here. It's lightly oiled, it fits perfectly in my toaster oven. Now I'm going to use, normally you would use ground beef, but I have some ground venison that I'm going to use. I bought this at the grocery outlet. I think this was $7.99 a pound. I think this is 95% lean. If you don't know what venison is, it's deer meat, but normally you just use ground beef for this. So if I can get it all out of the package here. I spread that out. Now I'm going to season it with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. If you don't have this, probably just salt and pepper is fine. Or maybe a little garlic powder and onion powder. Alright, now we'll get this into the toaster oven. I put the oven rack in the center of the oven to get that pan in there. And I'm going to use the air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven doesn't have air fry setting, just use bake. So I'm just going to watch that until it's browned up. Probably take about 10 minutes or so. It's been about 10 minutes. We'll get the meat out of there. Now I'm going to chop this meat up and break it all up. I'm not going to pour any of this juice or fat off because this is fairly lean and it's kind of dry if you do that. But if you have fattier ground beef, you may want to pour some of the fat off. Just kind of up to you. Then once I get it all chopped up, I'm going to mix in that 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Mix it in with the meat and then put some of those tater tots on top. Now I'll mix in the cream of mushroom soup. Now I'll put these tater tots on top. Just spread them out over the top here. Now I'll get this back in the oven for about 20 more minutes, and I'm going to sprinkle on a little grated cheese at the end. It's been about 18 minutes to see how these are doing. Those look good. I'm going to add the cheese. The tater tots browned up nice. You can see the mushroom soup bubbling up there, so everything's looking good. This is cheddar blend cheese. Just put a little of this over the top, and we'll put it back in for a couple minutes till the cheese melts. It's been a couple minutes. Let's get that out of there. Alright, see how this turned out. Hopefully it's not too hot to eat. I'll let it cool off for a little bit, but it's still pretty hot looking. It's basically just meat, potatoes, and cheese. So, try a bite here. That's pretty tasty. If you like meat, potatoes, and cheese, you'd like this. This tot is hot. I'll let it cool off a little bit. Alright, you want to try it, Annie? There you go. Inhaled. Well, that's a pretty simple and tasty recipe. I'll write the ingredients and the cooking time in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.